Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a little review for you. So Fenty Beauty have come out with some new products. We have got the Body Lava and we also have the Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb. I believe there's only one shade, which is Rose on Ice. And in the Body Lava, I know there's two shades and I have Who Needs Clothes? Because who does need clothes? Okay, and with it I also got the Face and Body Kabuki Brush. So I've seen a lot of reviews from my fave beauty bloggers, but a lot of you have asked me for my opinion and I haven't used any of these yet, so I'm really looking forward to using it. So I think what's recommended is you apply the Body Lava and you then apply the Fairy Bomb, I believe. I am gonna get the good old laptop out and I'm just gonna have a read on what the consistency is meant to be like, what finish is meant to give, etc, etc, so I can tell you if the description is accurate. Okay, so there is only one shade of the Fairy Bomb and then there is Brown Sugar and Who Needs Clothes. So there's two shades of that one. Apparently Brown Sugar is a glistening bronze shade and Who Needs Clothes is a radiant rose gold. Okay, so this is the description. So a limited edition gel-based body luminizer made to veil skin in a gloriously dewy high shine finish that feels as dewy as it looks for sunlit radiance anytime you please. Apparently it's got a floral vanilla scent. It doesn't really say what finish it's meant to give. It just says that it's meant to look like you're sun-kissed. And then Fairy Bomb is an limited edition oversized glittering puff pre-packed with superfine 3D rose gold shimmer designed for dabbing directly all over the body. So this one apparently is glittery, it's rose gold shimmer. Yeah. So I've got a dressing gown on so that I don't ruin any of my clothes. I'm going to show you what the actual products look like. It's a really big bottle, to be fair. Like, this is my head. It's longer than my head. I feel like this would last you a really, really long time. And then the Kabuki brush looks like this. And then the Fairy Bomb. This is so cute. I love the packaging so much for everything, but this is like the cutest little thing. It is a floral vanilla scent. Really nice. I feel like an absolute joke trying to do this because Rihanna did her video just like effortlessly, you know, the one that everyone's seen when she applies it and she's all like this. Oh, there's definitely a difference. You know, when I first put it on I was a bit like, I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the difference, but you can actually properly see the difference. So this arm is like this, that's what I applied, and then this arm is just dull. It is dull as, this one's just glowing. This one's telling bitches to move out the way. So now I guess we should apply, oh god. I just put my hair in a pineapple so that it doesn't lose the curl. But so it's out of the way. It's more glittery than I thought it would be, but it's also more wet looking than I thought it would be. Like, I thought, when I was sort of seeing other people's reviews, I was sort of thinking that it would be really like chunky glitter. And it is glittery, but it's really pretty, like it's really super nice. This is so nice. I really like this. So I'm just gonna do a few more squirts everywhere just because I'm obsessed. It doesn't feel sticky at all, but I don't know what it would be like if you really layered it. but I don't really see why you would really layer it because a little goes a long way. I love how that's made my body look. Okay, now I'm gonna get the Fairy Bomb and I'm just gonna apply this over. This smells nice as well, doesn't it? No, this does have a scent. It smells just like the body lava. Shine and shine. So I really like how this looks as well, and the description is pretty accurate. Glittery rose gold glitter. The body lava, I would say, is more glittery. It is definitely shimmery. It makes you look like, it makes you look glowy and it makes your body look flawless. But it definitely has more glitter. So far, first impressions, really good. I love. I'm gonna wear it for a few hours to see if it stays about or not. So the time now is 3:16 p.m. and I will come to you, I'll come back to you for about 6 or 7 p.m. and I'll see how this has lasted. Okay, so I'm back. I've just put Ayla to bed. It is now 7:46 p.m. I will show you the time, but my phone's upstairs charging. So yeah, I've been out all day. Well, no, I haven't been out all day. I've been doing stuff around the house all day. I've been doing some work, and then I prepped some food for Ayla, and then got her from nursery. When she came back, I fed her, played with her, put her in the bath, and now she's in bed. I've had Ayla all over me and I've had clothes on. I had like a tracksuit on and stuff earlier. So we'll see how this held up. I actually haven't even checked myself, you know. Just getting ready to reveal myself, you know. As you could see, it's turned into glitter for me. So instead of having that like luminous, wet, I'm glowing look that I had before, it's sort of just more glitter now. But I wasn't really expecting the sort of wet look to stay on me because like I've got the baby, I've been out, I've had a jumper on, like what's the chances of it staying on? And to be honest, it says nothing on the description about how long it will last, the holding power and stuff. It literally says what the product is. This is definitely a product that I would use if I'm wanting to look more glam, like wanting to be out there. Definitely like a night out product. I probably would not wear this on an everyday basis because who has the time? First of all, that bottle would literally last you 60,000 years. Do I think it's worth the money? Personally, yes. That bottle, I'm not joking, will last you a lifetime. Like if you got through that, unless you're like a makeup artist or someone that deals with models and stuff and you'll be applying it on several people all day, every day, then it may not last you as long. But if it's just for yourself, then it will literally last you forever. So yeah, I do think it's worth it, and the product is very, very pretty. I really do like it. If you are stuck on what one to get, because obviously not everyone wants to spend money on both of them, I personally would pick the Body Lava. Oh, but I really like the Fairy Bomb too. You know, the Fairy Bomb, it has like the glittery effect is finer, and I quite like that, but I like what the Body Lava does. So I'm just gonna say Body Lava. Okay, and on that note, I am gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you, whether or not you wanna purchase the product or not. It's a thumbs up from JP, and yeah, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, show some love, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys, bye.